Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I have a DIY for you as well as an open invitation to a Christmas collab that I'm hosting. So if you want to get all the information, all the details, just keep on watching. Now last year for Christmas 2017, I did a Christmas series, and in that series I purchased a reindeer sleigh from the Salvation Army and I transformed it. I'll insert a picture for you so that you can see what I'm talking about. And the response to that was so overwhelming. So many of you sent me pictures of your own sleighs that you transformed just from copying the one that I did. I was getting pictures from my subscribers and my followers on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, and I was so thrilled. I enjoyed every bit of seeing the pictures. They were beautiful. You guys did an amazing job. So this year I wanted to do something similar. I will be hosting a collab, which is, let me refer to my notes here, the hashtag Copycat Christmas Challenge. So it's the hashtag Copycat Christmas Challenge. And I've chosen some simple and easy items for us to do. What I did was I made these picks. Absolutely gorgeous, aren't they? And this one was basically one of those vase fillers that I transformed as well. But I have the video following this announcement that you can see how I did them, and then that is what you're going to do. You're going to copy these. Let me get into more details as to what I would like for you to do. Now this invitation is an open invitation, an open collaboration, an open challenge, whatever you want to name it, to anyone. If you have a YouTube channel, you're good to go. If you also, I'm also going to extend it to people who may not have a YouTube channel, but they're on Instagram, so you'll see the announcement over there as well. They're on Instagram, or they're on Facebook. Because last one that I did, the last sleigh that I did, a lot of people came through Facebook and Instagram to DM me to share their pictures with me, or they messaged me on Facebook to show me the pictures of the sleighs that they did. So you'll have an opportunity to do the exact same thing. So this is open to YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, right? If you have a YouTube channel and you do make videos, I'd much rather for you to use the YouTube platform. But if not, use the other two platforms, okay? Now the upload date for this challenge is Saturday, December the 8th at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So 7 a.m. EST on Saturday, December the 8th. Please do not upload your videos earlier than that. 7 a.m. starting time, and if you do not have an opportunity to do it at 7, then you can do it after that time, but not a minute before 7, okay? Now I will not be creating a playlist for this challenge, but what you must do is you must include in your description box hashtag Copycat Christmas Challenge in order to be automatically added to the playlist. So as long as you have that in your description box, hashtag Copycat Christmas Challenge, your video will be automatically added, right? So again, we're doing picks, and in the video you will see how I display them. Now you can do big ones, you can do small ones, you can do square ones, you can do oval ones, whatever you want to do. You can even do a bouquet. But what I would love for you to do is to choose the color of your choice. So whatever you're using for Christmas, that's the color that you're going to do. It must look like one of these. So it needs to have the bling, and this bling is from Totally Dazzled. I'll also leave a link to their website below. Also the brooch is from Totally Dazzled. So you can choose any one of these styles and do them in any size you want. The video will explain everything as to how I made them and the steps that I took. My Christmas color is rose gold and bronze, so I've done it in this color. But if you're using like silver or gold, then by all means, make sure that you do it in the colors that will match your Christmas decor. Now the next thing that you must do is you must show how you're making them. You must show yourself making them. It doesn't have to be the entire video, but just a part of the video must show you making these items. and you must show us how you display them in your home. So how you incorporate it in your own home decor. And I will leave a list of all the rules and the guidelines in the description box below. So don't you worry, I've got you. And if you have any questions, my email will also be in the description box of this video that you can reach out to me to ask me any questions. So pretty simple, right? These are so easy to make, guys. I just want to make sure that you have the bling thing going, because you know me and my bling. If it ain't blinging, it ain't a thing. So make sure that you check the description box below. And until the next video, I will see you on December 8th. I need you to come out in droves. Let's just have some fun with this, creating this and displaying them. And I'll see you on December the 8th. Now let's get into the actual DIY. Bye-bye. Okay, the items you'll need for this DIY are a big Christmas ornament, a dowel, and you can get these in the dollar store, like a whole pack of them. So what I did was I kind of eyeballed it, the dowel versus the hole that's on the top of the ornament. You'll also need some spray paint of your choice. In this case, I'm using rose gold, and this one is called Montana. I got this at Michael's, and I think they use this mostly for graffiti, but I'm going to use it. I'm going to try it on this ornament. Now, if you are looking for like a silver, then that's fine. You can just use the ornament as is, or any other color that they have available that you want to use in your Christmas decoration. That's fine. But in this case, I'm doing rose gold, so I'm going to change the color of this. I will also be using some bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. This one is a rose gold bling wrap. And as well, I'll be using this beautiful, beautiful brooch, also from Totally Dazzled. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the dowel inside the hole. In order for it to have a snug fit, I went ahead and I kind of pared it down with the scissors just on the tip of it. If you have a pencil sharpener, you can use that as well. But I just used a knife to kind of shave it off a little bit to put inside the ornament. But in an effort for it to be even tighter to the point where it does not move at all, I'm going to use my hot glue gun here and to just put some hot glue inside the hole, just like so. And then I'm going to put the dowel in to make sure it has a firm hold. And there you go. All ready. So what I'm going to do now is I'll be spray painting the whole thing using my rose gold spray. And once that dries, I'll come back and we'll do step number 2. Okay, penny pinchers, so my ornament is dried, attached to the dowel. So this is what it looks like after I spray painted it. What I'm going to do is to add some more glitter to it. Remember, the original color was silver and it was very glittery. But I want to add some more glitter to it just to get the sheen up a little bit more. What I'm using here is a little container that I get with my croissants in it from the grocery store. And it works very well to contain all the mess of the glitter and everything. So in it I have my Mod Podge on one side with my glitter. And this rose gold glitter, it's fine glitter. I got this from Michael's. And I'm going to use a sponge brush to add it to it. So I'm just going to dip my brush in the Mod Podge. Attach it on here just in sections at a time. Then I'm just going to shake it on. Okay, and here it is, guys, with the glitter added. You see how brilliant that is? So it's wet. I've also done a part of the dowel or the stem. That way, if you put it in a vase or something, then you're not just seeing the wood portion, but you'll see some of the glitter as well. So what I'm going to do with it now is I'm going to put it in this glass and just leave it to dry. After which we will come back and do our final step. Okay, penny pinchers, so this is what it looks like now that it's dry. Absolutely blingy and gorgeous. So we're going to move on to the final step, which is to use my Totally Dazzled bling wrap along with this beautiful brooch. And I'm going to cut strips off the bling wrap, and then I'm just going to wrap it around the ball in kind of like a swirl pattern. So I've cut a very long strand of the bling wrap. That way I can work it around the ball. So I'll just be using my hot glue gun, a dab, to make a starting point here. Okay, so this is where I've gotten so far. I find that it's easier to work around the ball with the bling ribbon by placing it in a bowl. So you kind of have it stable a little bit, and then just work your way around. And here it is, guys, all done. Isn't that cute? So the very final step is to add the brooch to the top here. And what I've done is I just used my scissors and just pried the clip part of it. And I'll just add some hot glue to it. And then just add it to the very top. Hold it firmly in place for a little bit until it sets. And we are done. I love how it turned out. Now let's go ahead and do some styling. Before we style, I just wanted to show you that I had actually done 3 of these. So this one that I just did on camera with you. I also did this one with the bling wrap going down, and it's just as beautiful. This one is actually a vase filler that I had in a package. Let me show you the before. It was like this beautiful silver vase filler, but I spray painted it again with the rose gold spray paint and added some glitter to it to give it a little bit more bling. I did not add a brooch to it because it's already doing a whole lot, just beautiful on its own, so it did not need the extra brooch. But for the challenge, you can do any one. You can do it with the stripes going down or the bling wrap going down with the brooch, or you can do it with the bling wrap going around with the brooch on the top, okay? It is your choice. It is your DIY. As long as you're doing the copycat piece, I'm good with whichever one you choose to do. All right, now let's get to the styling. Okay guys, so the first way I'll be styling it is I've created that little gap in my Christmas tree to show you how you can use them as picks or as tree fillers. And you just put it in just like so. And look how gorgeous that is. Absolutely beautiful. Adds a lot of bling and a lot of glam to your tree. Here's the second one. Basically the very same. Put it in, stuff it in where you have gaps. And guys, I'm not showing you my Christmas tree right now because I have a full tour of it coming up. So stay tuned for that. But just wanted to use it as a part of this display to show you how you can use these created picks and use them as tree fillers. Absolutely gorgeous. And here is the second way I have styled them, guys. I'm just using them basically as a vase filler with some flowers, some faux flowers. Styling it with my reindeer, a little bit of garland, and a candle. Just wanted to give you an idea of how you can possibly use these beautiful, beautiful pieces. but I am definitely looking forward to your copycat pieces. So don't forget to do them, share them with me, and I will have everything linked in the description box below as to what I am looking for. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I surely do appreciate you stopping by and would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload a video. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, thank you guys so much. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Shalomi, saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.